In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma. Whether you're a designer looking to make quick adjustments or someone just getting started with Figma, these simple steps will guide you smoothly through the process of text editing. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. This is where you'll begin your journey by searching for Figma. Type in Figma into your search engine and then click on the official Figma website link to access the platform. Once there, you should see options to log in. Proceed by entering your credentials to gain access to your Figma environment. After logging in, the next step is to open your Figma file. This is the file where you'll make the necessary text edits. Navigate through your files and click on the one you need. In the design space before you, locate the text layer you wish to modify. Simply click on this text layer, and it should highlight, indicating it's selected and ready for editing. Now, to start editing the text, double-click the text layer directly on the canvas. When you do this, you'll notice a blinking cursor appear, signifying that you're in edit mode. This means you're free to type in new text or change existing content as per your needs. It's as simple as typing on a word processor. If you wish to modify text properties beyond just editing the words, here's what you do. While still in edit mode, use your mouse to highlight the specific words or letters you want to adjust. Perhaps you want to change the font, tweak the size, or switch up the color. Highlighting is your key to unlocking these options. Now, with your text layer selected or with text highlighted, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. This panel is your control center for all things text properties. Here, you have the tools to adjust the font family and weight. You can also change the font size and line height, ensuring your text fits perfectly within your design. Further adjustments include modifying text alignment, so it lines up just how you want, and even playing with letter spacing and text case. This level of customization lets you make your text uniquely yours in whatever way best suits your design vision. Once you've made all your desired edits and are satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to wrap things up. To apply your changes and exit editing mode, click anywhere outside the text box or simply press the Escape key. Either of these actions will solidify your modifications and return you to your regular design workflow, allowing you to admire the changes you've skillfully implemented. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through text editing in Figma with ease and precision. Keep practicing these techniques to enhance your designs further. Thanks for watching.